Foxo here, and today I'm doing, Subway Surfers Part 4. Now it's giving me player tips, play the road, free weekend. Oh, anyways, in the last episode, I got Lucy, and I was super excited. If you haven't watched that, go check it out on Subway Surfers Part 3. Yeah. Now I'm going to announce how you can get a shout out in the middle of the video, but right now I just wanted to tell you that Subway Surfers Part 3. I got Lucy, if you didn't know that. Okay, let's start this. Up here. See, there's more coins. That's why I like it. Yeah, we're keeping Turbo. Probably when this gets to 2 free minutes, I'll tell you how you can get a shout out. Holly. Boom. Okay, I know. Wait, Willie, that was the best spot instead. Wee, boom, boom, wow. I don't even know how to survive that part. Boom, diddy, boom, 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 diddy, boom. I love to play this game a lot. And Lucy's my favorite characters. Yay, we just need another L and then a Y. L. I'm trying to annoy him. There we go. Here's the next L. Frick, I missed the penguin. Everybody loves penguins. Penguin lovers are gonna be so mad at me for not catching a little penguin guy. But I'll do it now. Frick, I missed my thing. Well, it was kind of worth it. Just want to collect 40 of those little cuties. Frick! Anyways, if you guys want to get a shout out in one of my videos, comment down below. Club Foxies or Foxes are cute. Or you can just do the emoji for foxes. Yeah. If you want to shout out in one of my videos. I've been trying to increase this channel as much as I could, and all the subscribers I'm getting really thanked. Yeah. I really appreciate you guys liking all my videos and subscribing. It means a lot to me. I've only just started this adventure channel. I'm just so glad with you guys. I never expected to get this much subscribers, and today I'm doing great. I got the mystery box, right? Yeah. At least I can get Tricky's hat, right guys? Anyways, I'm gonna go to the home. And I don't want any of that. Thank you. Hello. Anyways, I'm trying to find out whatever people I could get next. Do the other way. Always wanted to run one horse open way. That's funny. Okay, let's get started with our third round. It's gonna be the last round in this video. Oh, thanks. I still made it. Boop, boop, boop. Boom. Bunny, oh, Frank, I thought I still had them. Anyways, I'll wrap up this video for today. So, yeah, foxes, if you want to get a shout out in my next video, then just put foxes are cute. Love Foxy. So, or Club Foxes, Foxies. I don't really care which one you do, but, yeah. Loads of stuff. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I love you, Foxies, and bye-bye.